In this video, I'll be discussing some topic from chapter 14, that is chemical effects of electric current. Before I move on to the topic, let us learn what is electricity. Electricity is a form of energy which is used for running machines, appliances, and all types of gadgets. Electricity is used in the form of electric current. Now the first one is atom. All the objects are made up of small particles known as atom, and every atom consists of small spherical center known as the nucleus. In the nucleus, it contains proton and neutron. So that means proton and neutron together makes up a nucleus. Then the neutrons are the neutral charged particles, protons are positively charged particles, and electrons are negatively charged particles. Now the protons are fixed, whereas the electrons are moving, they move around. Electric current is due to the flow of charges. Usually it is due to the flow of electrons. Now, based on the ability to allow the flow of electric current, substances can be classified into conductors and insulators. So let us see what is conductor. So conductors are those substances which allows electric current to pass through it. For example, like silver, copper, gold, steel, bronze, etc. So this can be called as good conductors of electricity. Now coming to insulator. So insulators are those substances which does not allow electric current to pass through it. For example, like glass, dry paper, plastic, distilled water, rubber, etc. So these are called the poor conductors of electricity. Now the next one is electrical conductivity of liquids. Let us first learn what is electrical conductivity. It refers to the ability of a substance to allow electric current to flow through it. So liquids usually do not conduct electricity, but some liquids, they act as a conductor. Now the first one we have is electrical conductivity of water. If it is a pure water, then it does not conduct electricity. Now this is because the pure water does not contain any charged particles in it, and therefore it do not conduct electric current. Then if there are any impurities present, if there are any impurities present in the water, then it conducts electricity because of the presence of charged particles. Before we move on to the last topic, there is one more topic, that is effect of impurities in electrical conductivity of water. So as I've mentioned just a while ago regarding the presence of the impurities, so if impurities are there, then their atoms will break up into charged particles, and these charged particles will carry electric current from one part of the liquid to another, and that way the presence of the impurities in the water will help in conducting electricity. Now the last one is electrical conductivity of liquids other than water. So several acids and bases, when dissolved in water, they are a good conductor of electricity. For example, like lemon juice is there, vinegar, they are such liquids. Then most of the salts like sodium chloride, potassium iodide, etc. are also a good conductor of electricity. Now however, most of the substances that exist as liquid at room temperature, like alcohol, oil, and honey, they do not conduct electricity.